Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to have you today. My name is Teacher Jeffrey and welcome to our class. For today's lesson, you will need your Reading Street textbook, English copybook for taking important notes, and your pen. At the end of the lesson, the students should be able to A. Discuss the events of the story. B. Appreciate how inventors inspire others. And C. Read or listen to the drama, The Fabulous Perpetual Motion Machine. Let us discuss the set of vocabulary words for this story. And now, say the word after me. Project, fabulous, browsing, inspecting, applauds. Good job! Now, let us discuss each word. Project, a special assignment planned and carried out by a student or group of students. Sample sentence. I am done with my exhausting project. This word can mean different things, such as an undertaking or an activity, as well as to show an image on the surface. The next word is the word fabulous. It means wonderful and exciting. Sample sentence. The grand finale will end with a fabulous fireworks. The next word is the word browsing. Browsing means looking here and there. Sample sentence. Henry was browsing through the photographs. Browsing may also mean scanning, checking, and searching. In internet, browsing means looking at different websites for information. Next, we have the word inspecting. Inspecting means looking over carefully, or it may also mean examining. Sample sentence. The fireman is inspecting the house. The next word is the word applauds. It means shows approval by clapping hands, shouting, and so on. Sample sentence. Everyone applauds the graduates as they enter the auditorium. The Fabulous Perpetual Motion Machine by Don Abramson. Illustrated by Gerardo Susan. Let us have a quick recall of the elements of the story. The genre of our story today is drama. A drama, or play, is a story written to be acted out for an audience. It's also a type of a play written for theater, television, radio, and film. It contains conflict of characters, particularly the ones who perform in front of audience on the stage. The characters of the story are Carlos Perez, Lily Perez, Larry Sand, Effie Browning, Joyce Reardon, Mrs. Perez, Mr. Perez, Domingo Perez, and Lee Comer. For our setting of the story, a basement recreational room filled with well-worn furniture. Upstage center is a large, mysterious object draped with a sheet. Now that we've finished recalling the elements of the story, let us now begin reading or listening. If you want to read the story, kindly open your textbook on page 330. Remember to understand what you are reading. If you want to listen to the story, kindly copy this link and type it in YouTube browser. As you listen, form pictures in your mind and use your imagination. Students, hit the pause button and take your time reading or listening to the story. Here is the summary of the story. The Perez twins, Carla and Carlos, are determined to win this year's science fair. Because they are fabulous, they definitely don't want to do anything boring. Gathered together with parents, a reporter, and their friends Larry and Effie, they give their perpetual motion machine a test run to make sure it works. The machine does seem to run forever, but with one small problem. Everything in the house that runs on electricity stops working. The fabulous twins lose no time looking for another fabulous project to enter in the science fair. Now that we are done reading the story, it's time to answer our critical thinking questions. Question number 1. Why do you think the twins won't tell how the machine works just yet? Yes, you're right. That's because they haven't applied for patents. A patent gives inventors the right to own their inventions. Question number 2. How does the dialogue between the characters help you visualize the feeling or mood in the recreational room? Answer: the characters' questions help me visualize their impatience. Question number 3. How would you describe Mr. Perez's opinion of the machine. Mr. Perez is excited about the machine. He brought a newspaper reporter to look at it. Fourth question. What do you think the twins' friends say about the machine on page 336? Answer. Before, they were curious but skeptical about it. They asked questions such as, what is it? And what does it do? And doubted it would run because they couldn't see how it was powered. Afterward, they were amazed and thought it was fabulous. And for our last question, what does Domingo say when he returns? What do you think it is that he knew? Answer. There is really something wrong with the perpetual motion machine. That ends our lesson for today. Thank you for your time. This is your teacher Jeffrey, and have a great day.